In this video, we're going to learn how can we prepare our USB drive for Windows installation. The process is almost the same for Windows 11, 10, for all sort of Windows out there. So for that purpose, we be using a kind of tool, Rufus we call it. You're going to Google it, and here it is. You're going to go to the website and you want to download it. Click here, Rufus 3.22. I mean, your version may be different, and here it started downloading and it's done. You're gonna click open. It has been downloaded here in my downloads folder. Before you proceed, make sure you've attached a functional USB drive with any of the ports of your laptop or computer. You're gonna right click it and you're gonna run as administrator. Then here it is. This is my flash drive. You can choose, because I have only one flash drive attached to it. Your flash drive should be at least 8 GB of space. Then you're gonna select your bootable image that you already have downloaded in your computer. Then you're gonna click select here. Here you will give the path of your downloaded Windows. Mine is here, Windows 10, right? You're gonna select it and you're gonna open it. So it has been loaded. These settings are very important. You will select here standard Windows installation. Here, these are the two options that you're gonna select. If your computer is a latest one, so you're gonna select GBD, or if it is an older computer, you're gonna click MBR. Because mine is the latest one, so I will go for GBD. And then I will just press start button. Now it's asking me, do you want to create a local account with the same name? I'm good with this name. Set regional options to the same as this computer. I'm good with that. Disable data collections or disable BitLocker automatic device encryption. With all these options checked, I will select OK. So it's giving me kind of warning that all my data will be lost on the flash drive. I'm good with that. Now it's deleting partitions, and here it is copying the data. It will take maybe 5 to 10 minutes. After the completion, it will say ready, and you will have two options. Start means to start over. This is something we don't want to do. We have just already made it. And the other option is close. You're going to close it, and that is how you create your bootable flash drive.